Hello students, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to study the third part of the lesson, the tsunami. Whether animals sensed that a tsunami was coming? So here is some stories suggested they did. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low lying breeding areas. And zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. Yes, slammed means forcefully. Abandoned, having been deserted or left. Low lying means at low altitude above sea level. Breeding area, the place to which animals go to breed. Entice means attract or tempt. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what is going on. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not, but the fact is that giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries. But not many animals have been reported dead. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. The Ella National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patangala beach inside the park. But no animals' carcasses were found, except for two water buffaloes about an hour before the tsunami hit. People at Ella National Park had observed three elephants running away from the Patangala beach. Kadalur means here a town in Tamil Nadu. Carcasses means the dead body of an animal. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Gaul said his two dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said. But on that day, they refused to go and most probably saved his life. Here, the third part of the lesson speaks about the sixth sense of the animals. Around 150,000 people lost their lives, but only a few animals died. For instance, in the Ella National Park, situated in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors died while only two animals died. Also, in the same park, people noticed that three elephants ran away from the beach an hour prior to the struck of tsunami. Another incident is also from the Gaul in Sri Lanka. Here, the two dogs refused to go to the beach for the walk. Their master also thus could not go and was saved. So, we need to keep our environment clean, else this disaster will keep occurring. So, next is working with text. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father in law, and his brother in law in the tsunami. Yes, this sentence is true. Second question, Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. No, this sentence is false. Third one, Meghana was saved by a relief helicopter. No, this sentence is false. Fourth one, Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. Yes, this sentence is true. And the last one, a mother and aunt were washed away with the tree that they were holding on. Yes, this sentence is true. Second activity, fill in the blanks in the sentences below. The verbs given in brackets will give a clue. The earth trembled, but not many people felt the dash. A clue is tremble. So, what will be the answer? The answer is trembling or tremors. Second one, when the zoo was flooded, there was a lot of dash and many animals escaped into the countryside. A clue is confuse. So, what will be the answer? The answer is confusion. Third one, we heard with dash that the lion had been recaptured. A clue is relief. What will be the answer? The answer is relief. Fourth one, the zookeeper was stuck in a tree and his dash was filmed by the TV crew. A clue is rescue. What will be the answer here? The answer is rescue. Fifth one, there was much dash in the village when the snake charmer came visiting. A clue is excite. So, what will be the answer here? The answer is excitement. Thank you.